Hi, I'm Jeff Parks. I'm the President of Performance Breakthroughs, Inc. Thank you for watching this video. In it, my partner Ellen Gray and I will cover George Mason University's brand new certificate program, Managerial Development for Organizational Effectiveness. The video will cover a little bit about our backgrounds. We'll talk a little bit more specifically about the details and the content of the certificate program, and we'll give you a little bit more about our teaching style and facilitation approach. As quick background on me, I had a 20-year career in the Coast Guard, and the last 5 years were in Coast Guard headquarters in the Training Management Branch. The last 3 years, I was the Director of Training and Workforce Improvement, as well as the Leadership Training Manager for the Coast Guard. PBI is in its 14th year. Our mission is around helping organizations, teams, and individuals achieve excellence. We do that through a mix of training, organizational development consulting, and executive coaching programs that focus on leadership, management, and communications.
Hi, I'm Ellen Gray, and I've had a 25-year plus career in the world of management consulting, training, and facilitation. For the last 10 years, I've been a senior consultant with Performance Breakthroughs and Jeff and his company, and we are very excited about this new certificate.
The certificate program is 5 days long. There are 5 one-day individual workshops. Each one is self-standing, but they are directed towards a framework for organizational excellence. That framework has been used the past 8 to 10 years in a myriad of local government, federal government, corporate, nonprofit, and academic institutions. The 5 workshops include the topics of strategy, trust and communication, maximizing performance through the performance feedback and performance expectation loop, leading and managing change, and creating and using measures that matter. The managers and change agents who complete this program will have a very strong base to go back to their organization and make some solid improvements and changes. The program design has the strong intent of having individual gains where the graduates will have knowledge, skills, and the confidence to apply what they've learned, but also organizational gains in the sense of a common framework and a common language toward organizational excellence, a champion who is energetic and willing to take their learning forward, and an action plan to get the process started.
Jeff and I have designed these workshops to be very interactive. We know that adult learners learn best from each other, and so there will be a lot of individual critical thinking. There'll be small group exercises and large group report outs, and you will have a chance to understand and hear from each other some best practices. Jeff and I like to help our classroom and our adult learners make the leap from knowledge-based classroom training to be able to apply those concepts back to their offices and to their work groups. And we do that through LEAP. L is for learning. We reinforce through mini lecturettes, and that means very minimal PowerPoint, the very best of the new concepts and business processes and business management practices, and we reinforce the very enduring principles for organizational effectiveness. We help you learn through a high level of engagement. Not only do we want to capture your intellectual and your rational thought processes, but we want to engage your hearts. We want you to understand the relevance so that the learning can be, quote, applied, and that is the A, so that you can take this learning and know how you're going to use it back in your work groups. And that application will help you then be able to have and achieve a higher level of performance, and hence increase your level of effectiveness in your organization and your work team. Jeff and I are very excited about this new venture with George Mason University, and we invite you and encourage you to register early. Our classes start in March, so if I can, let me give you the website that you can go to register. The website is ocpe.gmu.edu. Let me repeat it again, ocpe.gmu.edu. And we look forward to seeing all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.